Good morning everyone. I am Aslam Mufaris. When I was younger, I was very curious about space. If I ever met an alien, I could take photo with them. I could ask questions because I really want to know difference between human and the alien. This is just an imaginary interview with an alien. And topic is, if you met an alien, what will be your question? Hello, who are you? What is your name?
I am an alien. Bebop is my name.
What about your planet? It's huge or tiny in size?
My planet is huge one.
What do you usually use to eat? What is your daily food?
I used to have 2 units of electricity every day.
Can you take me to your planet?
No, it's impossible. You need to carry lot of oxygen cylinders and it will take long years to reach my planet.
Why have you come from your planet? What is the reason?
Actually, we are searching for some resources to lead life. We are already completed. Used to excuse our resources in my planet, so I have come here.
What message you want to convey to the people on Earth?
Natural resources are mostly limited and it is our responsibility. Use them wisely and conserve them for our future generation. Natural resources are vital for the survival of human beings well as other living beings. So use it wisely. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Kavipriya from grade 6. I am very curious about making friends. So I chose pen pal project for my English expo. I could make a new friend who lived in United States of America. Her name is Ava. First I wrote a letter to her. It was very exciting to write to an unknown friend. I was eagerly waiting for her reply. It was so thrilling to read her reply letter. She had fixed her photograph in it. She is so cute with brown hair and brown eyes. I liked her handwriting. It was very interesting to know about my pen friend. One day I will travel to USA to meet my pen friend Ava. I thank Gautami ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kirti. I have done an English project on the topic verbs. I am going to show you a working model of regular and irregular verbs. Before that I am going to explain what is a verb. A word used to describe an action, state or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of the sentence such as here, become, happen. A regular verb is any verb whose conjugation follows a typical pattern or one of the typical pattern of the language to which it belongs. A verb whose conjugation follows different pattern is called an irregular verb. The majority of verbs called regular verbs follow the same pattern and create the past simple and the past participle using the same verb ending ed. There are however verbs that have different endings and these are called irregular verbs. Now I am going to show you some examples of regular and irregular verbs. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Hide, hid, hidden. Sit, sat, sat. Speak, spoke, spoken. Swim, swam, swum. Break, broke, broken. Fall, fell, fallen. Fly, flew, flown. Know, knew, known. Keep, kept, kept. Choose, chose, chosen. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Ruslan from grade 6. Everyone have to speak English without mistake. My project on sentence making will be makes simple sentence easy. A sentence is the collection of the word that you mean. Sentence is formed correcting the word logic of grammar. The simple sentence constants only noun, a helping verb and main verb. For example, he is cooking, he is washing, he is swimming, he is running, he is sleeping. She is sleeping. She is running. She is swimming. She is washing. She is cooking. We are cooking. We are washing. We are swimming. We are running. We are sleeping. They are sleeping. They are running. They are swimming. They are washing. They are cooking. Raja is cooking. Raja is washing. Raja is swimming. Raja is running. Raja is sleeping. Nila is sleeping. Nila is running. Nila is swimming. Nila is washing. Nila is cooking. Hope you all enjoy my project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavana Shindi from grade 6. I love tourism. I wish to travel around the world, meet many people, know their lifestyles and admire nature's beauty. I made an album to show you the most 6 wonderful tourist spots in India. I will definitely visit these places in future. If you too are a passionate traveler like me, don't miss to go to these places. Now let's see the album. First, Agra. Agra is home to several historic monuments, making it one of the most visited places to see in Agra is the Taj Mahal, one of the most famous buildings in the world. Taj Mahal is a perfect example of Mughal architecture. Next, Goa. Goa with 51 beaches along the coastline, Goa is considered one of the best tourist places to visit in India. The best time to visit this place is the winter, as the weather is just perfect. Next, Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. It is capital of Rajasthan. Main tourist spot is Elephant Ride at Amer Fort. It will give ride amazing experience and also enjoy a camel ride and visit a museum. Next, Shimla. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, is one of the famous hill stations in India. This place attracts a lot of tourists. During winters, the snowy mountains and narrow alleys are worth viewing and exploring. Next, Ooty. Ooty is a hill station in the state of Tamil Nadu. The pleasant climate, the view of India's Western Ghats and the peaceful atmosphere make a great tourist place for both family and friends. Next, Ladakh. The most famous tourist attraction here are Palang Lake, Tusu Murimuri Lake and La Palace. Thank you friends.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் ஃபரீஹா. 6ஆம் வகுப்பு சி பிரிவு. எனது தலைப்பு பழங்கால இசைக்கருவிகள். பழங்காலத்தில் பல வகையான இசைக்கருவிகள் மக்களால் இசைக்கப்பட்டனர். தோல் இசைக்கருவி, நரம்பிசைக்கருவி, காற்றிசைக்கருவி, கஞ்ச கருவிகள் என பல வகைப்படும். அவற்றில் 2 காண்போம். கருவியின் பெயர் தப்பு. இது மற்றொரு பெயர் பறை. இது தோல் இசை கருவி ஆகும். குச்சிகளை பயன்படுத்தி ஒலி எழுப்பி இசைக்கப்படும் இசை கருவியாகும். பெயர் கொடுகொட்டி. இது தோல் இசை கருவியாகும். இது மற்றொரு பெயர்கள் கிடி கிட்டி, கிடு கிட்டி, கிரிகிட்டி. நன்றி.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் வலியூர் கரீம். என் தலைப்பு கடலோடு
வந்து விளையாடு. நான் ஒரு மீனவன். விடிவெள்ளி நம் விளக்கு ஐலசா. விடிகடலே பள்ளிக்கூடம் ஐலசா. அடிக்கும் மலை நம் தோழன் ஐலசா. அருமை மேகம் நமது குடை ஐலசா. வெண்மணலே பஞ்சுமெத்தை ஐலசா. பெண்ணின் இடி காணும் கூத்து ஐலசா. பாயும் புயல் நம் ஊஞ்சல் ஐலசா. பனிமூட்டம் உடல் போர்வை ஐலசா. காயும் கதிர் சுடர் கூரை ஐலசா. கட்டுமரம் வாழும் வீடு ஐலசா. மின்னல் வரி அரிச்சுவடி ஐலசா. பிடிக்கும் மீன்கள் நம் பொருள்கள் ஐலசா. முழு நிலவே கண்ணாடி ஐலசா. மூச்சடக்கம் நீச்சல் யோகம் ஐலசா. தொழில்தலைவன் பெருவானம் ஐலசா. துணிவோடு தொழில் செய்வோம் ஐலசா. நன்றி.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் அஸ்வின். நான் 6ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். என் தலைப்பு நடுக்கல். நடுக்கல் இறந்தவர்களின் நினைவாக எடுக்கப்படும் நினைவுகள் ஆகும். இவற்றை வீரகர்கள் என்றும் கூறுவர். நினைவு கற்கள் எடுக்கும் வழக்கம் ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட காலப்பகுதிக்கோ ஒரு பிரதேசத்திற்கோ அல்லது ஒரு தனிப்பட்ட பண்பாட்டை சேர்ந்தவர்களுக்கோ உரிய வழக்கம் அல்ல. இந்தியாவிலும் வடக்கு தெற்கு என்ற பேதமின்றி நெடுங்காலமாகவே நடுக்கற்கள் எடுக்கப்பட்டு வந்துள்ளன. வீரசாவடைந்தவர்களின் நடுக்கற்களே பெருமதிப்பளித்து கொண்டு வந்தது. இவற்றை மக்கள் வணங்கும் வந்தனர். நன்றி.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். நான் இப்பொழுது சிறுபொழுதுகள் பற்றி பேச இருக்கிறேன். தமிழர்கள் காலத்தை வகுந்த விதம் பிரமிப்பானது. தமிழர்கள் இயற்கையை ஆதாரமாக கொண்டு காலத்தை பிரித்தார்கள். ஒரு நாளை கூட 6 சிறுபொழுதுகளை பிரித்து வைத்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவை வைகறை, காலை, நண்பகல், எற்பாடு, மாலை, யாமம் என்று அவற்றை அழைத்தார்கள். அது மட்டுமல்ல, அந்த 6 சிறுபொழுதுகளின் தொகுப்பையும் 60 நாளிகைகளால் பகிர்ந்து கணக்கிட்டார்கள். அதாவது ஒரு நாளில் 6 சிறுபொழுதுகள் உள்ளன. அந்த 6 சிறுபொழுதுகள் கழிவதற்கு 60 நாளிகைகளை எடுக்கின்றன. அன்று தமிழர்கள் பண்டை காலத்தை கணக்கிட்டார்கள். நன்றி.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Krishna. I am studying 6th year. Today I am going to talk about calculated addition. Addition is inevitable for life. Adding 0 to any number gives the same number. Now, this is my calculated tray. Now we should go to the needs. Needs are this calculated tray and the 3 carom coins. The rules are up to 3 digits with any number of addend can be used. Sum should not exceed 999. Always move clockwise. Now we shall get into this project. Hi, this is my calculated tray. 3 circles equal to 3 digits. Now the 3 carom coins are there. First coin, any color, take and keep it in 0 digit of one's place, and the next coin on 0 digit of 10th place, and the next coin on 0 digit on 100th place. Now I will put a sum and show the example. For the example, I will show 258, 198. What's the answer of this? What's the sum of this? This is very important. You should put ones, tens, hundreds. Now, for the first in ones place 8, then we should take the coin on the ones place and keep the coin to the 8th place. And in 10th place, this 5. Then what should we do? We should take the coin and keep it in 5th position. 100th place, 2. We should take the coin and keep it 2. That's all. And the first one finished. Now we shall go to 198. Now what should we do? Ones place, the next number, we should take this. The 7, 8. Yes, 8. If it crossed the zero of the if it crossed the zero or go to the zero, you should take the next digit and keep one number extra. Now here is 6. What is in tens place? 9. We should add 9 to the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. I already told if it crossed 0 or be in 0, round on 10, you should take the next digit and keep one extra. In hundreds place, next also 1. Then we should keep 4. Now the answer is 4, 5, 6 equal to 4, 56. The sum of this is 456. That's all. Very easy. Now we start 2 number addition. Now we are going to see 3 number addition. Let's go into it. I've already written this questions. Now you can see I didn't put one tens numbers. That's very important. Now, what's in the ones place? 3. Then we should take the coin and keep the 3. What's in tens place? 2. We should take the coin in tens place and keep the 2. What's in hundreds place? 4. And we should take the coin and keep the 4. That's all. And ones place. We should not think about it. Ones place, what it is? 2. We should add 1 to 5. Then what is in tens place? 0. Then we should not move nothing. What's in hundreds place? 1. Then we should move to 5. That's all. This 2 we should not think about it. No. And we should take this coin in the 5 and add 4. 1 space 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in 9. What's in tens place? 8. We should move 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've already told if it's come to 0 or crosses 0, we should change that. We should add one number to the next digit. That's all. We should take this. What's in hundreds? 2. Then we should move 2. Now we can see the answer. 809. The answer is 809. That's all. It's also very easy. Now we saw 2 number addition, 3 number addition. Now we are going to see 2 digit 2 number addition. Let's see. I have already written the questions. Now 0 position 0. Then we should not change anything. In tens position 8. And we should keep it in 8. 10. In ones place it is 3. Then we should move 1, 2, 3. In tens position it is 1. We should move to 1. What is the answer? 93. That's all. We finished it. It's very easy. We saw 2 number addition, 3 number addition, 2 digit, 2 number addition. I hope you are clear with addition. Now I have put 3 circles for 3 digits. If I add 1 circle extra, it will come 4 digits. Another 1 circle, 5 digits. It will go on. So, in calculated tape, we can add up to unlimited numbers. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you. I would thank Sandhya ma'am, thank you ma'am, and thank you all. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Abubakar Siddiq from grade 6. Today I am going to talk about types of angle. What is an angle? The space between two intersecting lines at the point where they meet is called an angle. What is type of angle? Angles. Reflex angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. What is acute angle? An angle is lesser than 90 degree. It is called acute angle. Example 60 degree also an acute angle. Angle exactly at 90 degree is called a right angle. An angle more than 90 degree and less than 170 degree, it's called obtuse angle. For example, 110 is also an example of obtuse angle. What is reflex angle? An angle more than 180 and less than 360 degree. It's called reflex angle. For example, 210 is also a reflex angle. Thank you.
Very good morning to one and all gather here. I am Mohammed Aslan here to explain about how to find a product for 2 number using stick for lower class children. Let's take 6 tables example. Today I take 2 colors of stick. One is green and one is black. Green is for multiplicand and black is for multiplier. To start with, we should keep 6 sticks vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 1 stick horizontally about the 6 sticks. This 1 stick implies 1 and this 6 sticks implies 6. If you want to find the product for 1:6, we should count the intersection point. 1:6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We all know 1:6 is equal to 6. If we want to find the second product for 6 table, we should keep another 1 stick. This 2 stick implies 2 and this 6 sticks implies 6. 2 6 are 6 plus 6 12. 2 6 are 12. If you want to find the third product for 6 table, should keep another 1 stick. 3 6 are 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 6 18. And 3 6 are 18. Similarly, we can do this method for every table. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I'm Aditi Milika. I'm going to tell about how to find the pi value. The length of the boundary of the circle. It is known as circumference of the circle. Now we divide the circumference into 22 equal parts and mark it 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 22. Now this is line segment which passes through the center of the circle is known as line diameter. Now I will take a thread which is equal to the diameter of the circle. And we move the same thread along to the circumference. And we check how many parts it's covered. Nearly 7 parts. The diameter covers nearly 7 parts out of 22. Now the diameter covers 7 parts out of 22 in the circumference. Now D by C is equal to 7 by 22. On taking reciprocal, it becomes C by D is equal to 22 by 7. is equal to 3.14. It is constant value of pi. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Joshita from grade 6. I am going to talk about air pollution. Air pollution is one of the major environment issues. Daily air pollution has a great effect on the people. There are many insufficient diseases due to the air pollution. People have trouble breathing. Even the main reason for the cancer is air pollution. Along with this, air pollution also affects their physical organs. Due to breathing the polluted air, our health is getting worse. There are several reasons behind the continuous increase of air pollution. To prevent the environment, we have to use cycle, stop motoring transport, save forest, don't burn and make smoke, use solar energy. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Mohammed Shahmood and I am here to explain about how the fire extinguisher works. Fuel, heat and air are the most important ingredients that makes a fire to burn. So here I plan to remove oxygen from the triangle by using a fire extinguisher cylinder. It contains carbon dioxide. Since carbon dioxide is a lot heavier than oxygen, it acts like a blanket around the fire and it cuts off the supply of oxygen to burn. Thus the fire extinguisher works. Let me show with an activity. This is vinegar. And then we need to have a fire source. Now I have a candle as my fire source. And vinegar plus the baking soda releases carbon dioxide. And this carbon dioxide extinguishes the fire.
Thank you.
briefly, I am going to tell about causes of water pollution. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Yes, water is essential for life. Without water, a life would have been impossible. Save water. Water will save you. Nowadays, water is getting polluted due to human activities, and availability of potable water in nature is becoming rare day by day. Domestic sewage affect microorganisms. Similarly, food processing factory waste and detergents affect organic waste. Heavy metal producing factory, yes, like in Thoothukudi, affects lake and river. We all know that Chernobyl disaster in Russia due to radioactive waste. Clear water BOD value should be less than 5 ppm, but in polluted water its value is 17 ppm or more. To control water pollution, we should use less plastic, don't dispose oil in the sea, stop immersion of ashes in the river, limit the use of detergents and bleachers, join water conservation organization. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Michael Laxon. I have chosen my topic, importance of vaccination. First of all, I would like to convey my thanks to our school management for having out my hidden talent. Vaccination. Vaccination is very safe and effective. We all are very curious about health. Here are the vaccine I collected. It is the structure of dengue virus and its vaccine, dengue fever. It is the structure of typhoid virus and its vaccine, policated. And it is the structure of rabies virus and its vaccine named Immovax. And it is the structure of cholera virus and its vaccine, Vaxora. And it is the structure of coronavirus and its vaccine, Covaxin. And it is the structure of pneumonia virus and its name, pneumococcal conjugate. All the vaccines are carefully reviewed and tested by doctors, scientists and healthcare warriors. First, it was injected to monkeys and mice and rabbits. Many dangerous infections, disease can be prevented in this simple and effective way. Vaccination protects children from serious illness and complicated disease. If children are not vaccinated, they can spread the vaccine disease to other children who are all too young to be vaccinated or to people with very weakened immunity power. Here is the awareness of vaccine poster. So friends, if any disease cause you, please take immediate medicine or vaccine. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself, Kamini, doing 6th grade. I am so happy to take part in Expo. I would like to thank my teachers and school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I have chosen the topic is about proper food and balanced diet. Our body is just like a machine, like an engine burning fuel. The work for the body due to energy supply from food. So we all must concentrate what types of food that we eat. What is the right time of consuming food? There are the common creators we must follow in our regular day-to-day. Unave marundagum, marunde unavagum, which means the food is medicine, medicine is food. Lacking of good immune power in human body in the power key for all this disease. So proper food habit fight against pathogen. Foods are commonly concentrated into three groups.
First, bodybuilding food, property food, protective food, energy giving foods. Bodybuilding foods such as proteins, dal, eggs, fish. Protective foods, fruits, veg and vegetables. Fight against germs. Energy giving food, sugar, rice, wheat are the energy giving food. Time of foods. Our body takes minimum 4 hours to digest and absorb the food we eat. Your unscheduled meal timing will lead to excess body weight, fats, dispersion and impaired digestion. Breakfast. Ideal time 7 to 8 and do not have it later than 10 a.m. Must remember, eat within 30 minutes of wake up. Lunch. Ideal time 12:30 to 2 p.m. Do not have it later than 4 p.m. Must remember an ideal time gap between breakfast and lunch is 4 hours. Dinner. Ideal time 6 to 9. Do not have it later than 10 p.m. Must remember the meal should be at least 3 hours before you sleep. Thank you.
All. I am Sobika of 6th grade. I am so happy to take part in Viral Expo. I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our school management for exposing us to the wonderful moment. People who love to eat are always the best people. To eat is a necessary, but eating intelligent is an art. We all eat, but what we will eat, when we will eat. That is my topic. Healthy food provides us the essential movement and energy to grow, to develop, to be active and healthy. Food and water, the main source of nutrient and strength of all living things. How I am going to explain about the most important components present in food. All the components in food play an important role for our better growth and development. Vitamins, minerals, fats, carbohydrates, proteins are in main components of food. We should include all the nutrients equally in a meal. Carbohydrates are rich in all grains like rice, wheat, sugar, barley. Fats are rich in milk product, ghee, butter, milk. Proteins are rich in pulses like chana, moong dal, urd dal, egg, fish. Vitamins are rich in all the fruits and vegetables. Minerals, adequate amount of water, minimum at least 3 liters of water should be consumed every day. Healthy food makes a wealthy life. Thank you.
Good morning, Vanakkam. People of Tamil Nadu greets everyone with this word by joining their two hands. Let's begin. My topic is Tamil Nadu. About Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a state in southern India. Its capital and largest city, Chennai. Tamil Nadu have 38 districts. Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of the Indian subcontinent and is bordered by the Union Territory of Puducherry and the South Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is bounded by the Eastern Ghats on the north, by the Nilagiri Mountains, the Meghamalai Hills and Kerala on the west, by the Bay of Bengal in the east, by the Gulf of Mannar and the Palk Strait on the southeast, and by the Indian Ocean on the south. The state shares a maritime border with the nation of Sri Lanka. Language. The language of Tamil Nadu is Tamil, which is the very oldest language in the world that sustained till now. It has 247 letters, which is unavailable in any other language. Culture of Tamil Nadu. Culture of Tamil Nadu is based on festivals. Wedding functions, rituals and festivals happen in temple. Traditional dress of Tamil Nadu. Men can be seen wearing dhoti and set. Men also wear vibhuti on their forehead. Tamil Nadu women mainly wear saree, which is a 5 to 6 yards. Rectangular cloth made of cotton, silk or any other fabric. Kanjipuram saree is often worn at festivals. Traditional food of Tamil Nadu.
People of Tamil Nadu serve almost every food on a banana leaf. It is a traditional way of serving food. Traditional dance. Tamil Nadu have more and many number of dances that are following traditionally in Tamil Nadu, and each dance have reason. For example, Bharatanatyam, Silambam, Kummi, Pavaikottu, Karagattam, Oilattam and etc. Traditional sports. The traditional sports of Tamil Nadu are very famous and are interesting to watch, and each game has a history too. For example, Kabaddi, Seval Sandai, Kusti, Jallikattu, Rekla race and etc. Heritage and historic sites of Tamil Nadu. Heritage and historic sites of Tamil Nadu are famous for its art and architecture. Rulers of different dynasties have shown their craftsmanship in the form of historic wonders that were constructed over the years. These sites of the bygone era are amazing evidence to the rich Dravidian culture and art. Rulers of the Chera, Sola, Nayak, Pallava, Vijayangara, Pandya dynasties, who were great patrons of architecture and art. Few examples are Bragadiswara Temple, Airavateswara Temple, Shore Temple, Ramanatha Swami Temple and etc. Some facts of Tamil Nadu. The enormous area of Tamil Nadu makes it the 11th largest state in India. Tirukkural has been translated into many languages that makes Tamil Nadu famous. The stone cap of Bragadiswara Temple weighs 80 tons. No man in this world has built such huge stone cap at the top of the constructed temple. Thank you, Nandri. I hope you all have got some ideas about Tamil Nadu. Thank you one and all, and thank you again.